What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has hit a green candlestick guys, and as you guys can see it has pumped up just about 20% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through what is next for Bonk. It has been quite volatile with green, red, green candles. So is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take another dip in value over the coming days for the rest of the week? And from buyers and sellers point of view, is now the right time to buy it since it has taken a little dip, or is it still a risky investment, or should you sell it, or should you keep holding on to it? So essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction for the overall 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, and the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's pretty much performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, as you guys can see here, and it's not looking too steep, meaning it is realistic. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal guys. Do expect red candles in between as well, but what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point it does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more steep. As you guys can see, both the blue and the orange line are heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and yes, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. So yes, I'm expecting Bonk to have gone through an overall increase in value over the coming week, so over the next 7 to 8 days by the end of next week. However, in between that time, I am also expecting it to hit red days, going for a little bit of a dip or a price correction. So because of the amount of value it has gained over the last couple of weeks is absolutely insane, and it is due for a little price correction, just like what's happened over the last few days. It did go through a dip and right now has recovered. So essentially, again, another repeat of that is what I'm expecting over the coming week. But again, the increase in value is likely to be quite minimal, nothing too crazy, potentially heading up to where it was trading at back on the 4th of March, so about 4 days ago, earlier this week, and then dropping back down in value. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but once again, the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks, what can we expect? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April and early May 2024, again the graph is looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, late April, early May, I am expecting Bonk to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is, as you guys saw earlier on in December, it went for a major pump. What happened after that? Dropped back down in value like I expected, and that is going to, right now is going to be a similar situation to what happened back in December. It is pumping like crazy. If we look at the monthly chart, it has gone up over 220% guys, which is quite a huge amount, especially within a month. So that raises the question around, is the crypto really sustainable? Is it overvalued? Personally, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, yes, Bonk is currently overvalued and is due for a price correction over the coming weeks, like I've mentioned in my previous updates on Bonk as well. Even though, yes, right now it is pumping, overall I'm expecting it to go for a drop in value, trading around below the SMA indicator by late April and early May is what my expectations are. However, I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Bonk to show you guys if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Bonk, either in a positive or negative direction. I will let you guys know as soon as possible, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have dropped back down into the blue zone earlier on this morning and right now pumped back up into the top tier level like I did predict in yesterday's video. However, next target for me is for the crypto to be dropping back down into the blue zone by potentially, guys, late next week. So mid to late March it should be dropping back into the blue zone and into the dark green zone, so hitting red candles is what I'm expecting from Bonk. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has once again gone up near about 35% in the last 24 hours, making it $840 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is the crypto has been pumping like crazy and a lot more people are back on Bonk, especially after December drop that took place. Those who did invest into it are back on it, selling it, taking out the profits, and there's other people who are investing into the crypto trying to make money of it. Again, depending if you're in a short-term or long-term hold, then yes, you may be profitable. However, I myself have not invested into the crypto because I'm a long-term holder and I'm not expecting any major increases in value from Bonk over the long term. In fact, as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop back down. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high and how low are you guys expecting Bonk to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, especially after seeing the December drop that took place, guys. Has your predictions changed on this crypto? Pretty sure those who did invest into it back in December, your predictions have most likely changed, but still let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.